Hey all, Leo here, a partner at Albato. Today I'll talk to you about embedded iPaaS, which stands for Embedded Integration Platform as a Service, and specifically how it can help transform your SaaS business. But first of all, let's dive into what iPaaS means. iPaaS, Integration Platform as a Service, is a cloud integration platform that lets you connect hundreds of different apps without writing a single line of code. So I'm now on the Albato platform. And for example, say we want to send data from Google Sheets. I'm going to pick it from the list here. And the trigger will be a new row created. So that's going to be an event that will make our automation run. And every time we get a new row on, for example, this spreadsheet here, we want to automatically sync that data over to our CRM. And what we want to do is we want to create a new contact for every new row coming from Google Sheets. So what I'm doing now is I'm mapping fields. As you can see, it's a 100% no code experience. So I'm going to grab email from my spreadsheet. The mapping is complete and the integration is good to go. We've just connected both apps on Albato. We've set up the workflow and voila. Once we start the automation, the data starts flowing on autopilot. And now let's move on to embedded iPaaS, which is sort of an extension to the iPaaS. It's the same no-code integration solution, but fully embedded into your SaaS. Just imagine that we're now on your platform and this is your UI, and this whole area in the middle are white label embeddable integrations, and your customers don't need to rely on third-party platforms, sign up for Zapier and pay it out of pocket, for example. Instead, they set up all the integrations directly within your UI. And as you can see, for your customers, the embedded integrations, they kind of give the same look and feel as to your native direct integrations. Yeah, you can see that I'm doing all this from your customer's perspective. And now let's take a look at the benefits of embedded iPaaS for your SaaS. They're pretty huge. First of all, you get happy customers because your users get all integrations in one place, which is your product and your dashboard. And they can run pretty much any integrations with just a few clicks. And moreover, they can use pre-built templates as opposed to building complex integration from scratch, like on Zapier. Then you get increased revenue because your customers won't have to pay for third-party tools, and instead you can monetize and resell embedded integrations to your audience and put more dollars and cents in your pocket. Then you get to free up your devs because, as we all know, devs hate to be burdened with integration maintenance and all that. And with an iPaaS on board, your devs will no longer have to build and maintain integrations because a dedicated iPaaS team will do the 100% of heavy lifting for you. You end up seeing a higher LTV because it's a well-known fact that the more data flows and the more integrations your customers create on your platform, the stronger bond they create with your product, and eventually it becomes super sticky for them, and the switching cost is too high. Last but not least is a full visibility for your product team because you will get real-time data on how your customers are using the embedded integration. You'll get to leverage all these insights to enhance their experience. And here's what it's going to look like. So you'll get a master dashboard with a full overview across all integrations by apps, by customers, by triggers and actions, and so on and so forth. And let's take a look at some real business results of Albato's customers who embedded the integrations and empowered their customers with white label native connectors. Climb.com boosted their revenue by 70% and also increased their premium to paid conversions by 30%. Then another popular SaaS, Artist Station, which is a marketing automation platform, they saved almost 70% on the dev costs related to integration, maintenance, and building. And they also unlocked a strong value add for more than thousands of their enterprise customers with the no-code integrations. And last but not least, another omni-channel engagement and marketing automation service, Maestra. So here's what their business results look like. They also saved incredibly on the integration maintenance, and also they reduced the integration delivery time from 1 month to 7 days. If you want to learn more about the benefits of embedding an iPaaS into your SaaS, check our website and specifically this page, Embedded for SaaS. Here, feel free to book a demo and let us show you how Albato can work for you. Looking forward to chatting with you. Take care.